It's wash day with LUS Brands, so let's go! Hi everybody! So it is time for wash day. Let me show you. It is time for wash day. And today I'm actually going to be using a brand that has always made my hair look really good. And literally it's like a 3-step process, but they added in a new product, so I wanted to try it with the whole process as well. But it's LUS Brands, LUS, and then they have the shampoo, which is step 1, and then the conditioner, step 2, and then they have this all-in-one, step 3. Now this one specifically is dependent on your curl type. So they have, I think, 3 different ones, one for wavy hair, one for curly, mine is under curly, and then one for coily. So pretty much type 2 has one, type 3 has one, and type 4 has one, and you can get it specifically for your type. The shampoo and conditioner themselves are for all curl types, and they're also very nourishing. But I have used all 3 of these and I have had great results with my hair. And this is a picture right there. So my curls were always super defined, and literally this was all I used. I'd wash my hair and then just use this all-in-one. But they have this Irish sea moss gel, which I will be using for the first time today, and it has like medium hold on it. And I'll actually go into all the products before I even use them, just to let you know what we're looking at, what we're trying. So it's a curly 3-step that I have. You could get the coily 3-step, which once again, the only thing that's really changing is the all-in-one, or even the wavy 3-step, but it's a 3-step package, and it's $45. So that's not crazy expensive for these. Like, it's the size of my head, each of them. These things last. They last. So you'll have this for at least maybe 1 to 2 months if you're using it a lot. Chances are you're not, so you might have it even longer. But it's one of my favorites. And the shampoo right here, and let me just read my notes. So according to my notes, they say this is a gentle and moisturizing shampoo. It's a sulfate-free concentrated formula made to give your curls and scalp a clean slate. When it comes to the shampoo, because I have used this before, and I am going to use it again today, but I just wanted to say, like, it does not dry out your scalp. It honestly does what it says, which is gentle and moisturizing. And I like that because I've noticed with shampoo of any types, whether it's curly or whether it is a regular one, a good amount of them tend to dry out your hair, as if drying out your hair is going to just ultimately clean it. Sometimes drying out your hair just leaves your scalp flaky, dry, itchy, making you have to wash it again and again and again. So this one is just like moisturizing, beyond moisturizing as you're putting it in. It's almost like putting in a conditioner, but it's a shampoo, which is great because for me, my hair needs a lot of moisture. And the great thing about it is you don't need a lot. You literally just take like a nice little glob and it covers your whole scalp. And also for those of you that might possibly be worried about fragrance, there isn't really any fragrance with it. So that's kind of a plus for me, because sometimes when there's a product that has too much fragrance in it, I'm just like, how much of this bottle is just fake fragrance and how much is actually doing what needs to be done for my hair? The next one is the conditioner. This is silicone free. The shampoo is sulfate free. And then with this one, it is a hydrating and detangling conditioner. So as you can see, both the shampoo and conditioner are about moisturizing and hydrating, keeping your hair hydrated throughout everything, literally just moisture upon moisture upon moisture. And I have used this before it is like a lotion for your hair. Literally, a lotion for your hair. It's honestly, it's pretty thick for a conditioner, but I guess that's just to emphasize the hydrating part. You don't need too much. It melts into your hair pretty easily. And then on their website, they say that the hydrating and detangling conditioner is intensely moisturizing, made to melt tangles and revive dry hair, and it's silicone free. So if you are in a place with very dry air, if you are in a place that is frigid cold and the hair is freezing dry or whatever, this one is good for you. And then the last thing, and this one I have tried before, love it. Honestly, sometimes when I do refresh my hair, I would just use this because it kind of acts like a gel and a moisturizer at the same time. It's like a gel-based cream, something like that, you know? It has the consistency of a cream, but it acts like a gel. I don't know how else to explain it, but my hair does like look defined, and I don't have as much frizz when I use this and when I have used this before. And on their website they say it's like minimum effort, maximum results, hydrates, repairs, and styles all in one step. And literally, it is minimum effort and maximum results. I love this. I really love this. If I could get a bigger one of this, I might just only use this. And now this product is the Irish Sea Moss Gel, and it is Irish sea moss, acai, aloe vera, passion fruit oil, and rice bran oil. So it seems like there's a lot of oils in this as well, and the aloe vera in it as well. I know that's also going to help hydrate, but we'll figure this out when we get there. But for now, I am going to shampoo and condition my hair, so I will be back when my hair is wet. I'm back and hair is washed completely. And once again, I just have to say this, like this shampoo, it goes in, it doesn't lather too much, but it has this like silky moisturizing feel to it. So my hair didn't feel stripped and dry after I washed it. And then also this conditioner, it was a bit thick. I did use a big glob, but it got through all my hair and I was able to detangle really easy. So nothing got stuck, nothing really came out. It wasn't like hard, you know. I just took my wide tooth comb and just right through, which was really nice. And everything is kind of like silky, it's moisturized. Honestly, if it was a wash and go without product, I would feel fine leaving my hair like this because it does feel nourished, it does feel moisturized. Now from there, I am gonna grab my all-in-one curly. So once again, this is to repair, hydrate, and style. So I'm actually just gonna rake it all through. So I'm just gonna grab a few globs, really just put that in. Just like put it all through. Just grabbing some more. Kind of get it everywhere, especially as I'm going through, and especially on the ends, because for me personally, my ends tend to be the driest. I don't know if it's showing up on camera, but my curls are becoming a bit shinier, and as I'm raking it through, there is a bit of separation, like cleaner separation between my curls, less frizzing. I'm actually gonna put a little bit more because I have one spot right here towards the bottom that's just really dry already. So now that is the all-in-one, and because I am not just stopping there, I'm not gonna use my Dead Man brush and just style it kind of like that, which is actually coming out really nice. So I'm not really gonna go through with that because I am going to add in one more product, which is the Irish Sea Moss Gel, But with this one, I'm going to part and divide my hair up a little bit, just so I could control how it is going to fall. Let's see this. This actually looks like the all-in-one curly, just a bit more thicker, and I don't know if you can see that. A bit more thicker, and then also more cloudy. But I'm also, because it's not a gel, I'm not gonna put it at my roots, but kind of as close as them as I am willing to go. Now I'm just gonna take this. And I'm kind of gonna go through section by section, just styling it. And I'm just gonna take my wide tooth comb, kind of comb through it just to separate the curls in advance before I scrunch away. Now for the other side. And I'm just going through section by section, so. Now I'm honestly, now that everything's in, I'm just gonna go back in with one more scrunch. So that is everything. The gel is actually easy to apply, and right now it's keeping my hair kind of smooth and straight and everything. Well, I mean smooth and straight in terms of like in terms of the curls. There's not much difference. Everything is kind of all in their precise location. I don't know how else to put it, but it's nice. Right now I can already see how my curls are going to define and how they're going to come up. The last part of this step is diffusing. So wish me luck. So these are the results. As you can see, luscious and beautiful defined curls. Like literally every strand, look at that, every strand is just really defined and taken care of. Then even look at it from the back, look at that. It's just beautiful, beautiful. So this is good. And you know what's interesting, like the gel, it doesn't leave a hard cast. So all you have to do is scrunch. Honestly, it barely even leaves a cast. So all you have to really do is just scrunch and it's gone. It's gone. But look at these curls. Ah, I love it, I love it. Honestly, this brand might be my weakness because look at, this is literally wash day. This is wash day with a little bit of gel. This is 4 products. This is the shampoo, the conditioner, the all-in-one specifically for curly hair because they do have wavy and they do have coily. And then just this Irish sea moss gel, which is still very hydrating. Like, wow, I love it. I love it, I love it, I love it. Like, look at that bounce. That bounce. It bounces. But this is my results from using LUS Brands, LUS Brands, Love Your Curls. That's, oh my gosh, that's what it means. LUS stands for Love Your Curls with a UR instead of YOUR. So this is LUS Brands, or Love Your Curls brand, and all I used was their shampoo, conditioner, all in one, and then their Irish sea moss gel, and my curls are defined, they are lifted, they aren't weighed down, and just every single strand. I have like almost no frizz at all. This is beautiful. But let me know if you have tried them, what your results were, what your comments are, or if you have any questions or comments about LUS Brands, let me know all down in the comments below. Thank you so much, and bye!